Hi, we're Barry and Jordan, the Brownstone Boys.
We found this rusty vintage metal bench, and we can't wait to give it new life using Rust-Oleum's Custom Spray 5-in-1.
With 5 spray patterns, we'll be able to paint these nice intricate details with less drips and overspray and a higher quality end result. Let's get started. We'll get on our protective gear and put some work in getting this bench all cleaned up.
This bench came to us in pretty bad shape, so we're going to start by picking off the rust in some of these paint chips. Now we are ready to paint the bench. We're going to start by choosing the standard setting, which is going to be a good starting point for pretty much any project.
We're painting the bench with this beautiful gloss navy color, and we're using the standard setting to give the whole bench a nice first coat.
Now to really get inside these little lattice and floral details, we're going to switch to the low output setting.
This will make sure we really get inside those super intricate parts of the bench we might have missed with the standard setting, so it will be completely evenly painted with less drips.
And since the low output setting uses less paint, we'll be able to get more out of each can.
Now we'll repeat the same process on the backside using standard and low output. So we just finished painting our bench. We absolutely love it. It goes so perfectly on our stoop.
We love the new bench here in our motorhome, and we're so excited for its new life here in Brooklyn.
Be sure to watch the rest of the videos in this series to learn how Rust-Oleum Custom Spray 5-in-1 can help you spray anything.